The question number 17 of exercise 15.1, the first part of the question is a lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Now see here, probability of getting defective bulb will be favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. The favorable outcomes are here 4 and total outcomes are 20. Then it is 4 by 20, 1 by 5. For the second part, suppose the bulb drawn in first part is not defective. That the bulb we have drawn is not defective and is not replaced, and it is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. Now remaining bulbs are 20 minus 1, that is 19, means total number of outcomes are 19 now. One bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Because that bulb that we have drawn in first case was not defective, then the remaining bulbs, those are defective, are all 4. Therefore, the number of favorable outcomes are for defective bulb are 4, and for non-defective bulb are left to be 19 minus 4, because the total bulbs left are 19. Therefore, the number of outcomes, favorable outcomes for bulb is not defective is 19 minus 4, that is 15. The probability that bulb is not defective is 15 upon 19. Once again you see this part. Total outcomes after drawing one bulb is 19. Total bulbs in first case were 20. Now the bulbs left are 19. The number of favorable outcomes of bulbs is not defective is 19 minus 4, because 4 are still defective in the bulbs. Therefore, non-defective are 19 minus 4, that is 15. The probability that bulb is not defective is 15 by 9. Now we come to the next question, question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears, the first part is a 2-digit number. From 1 to 90, the total number of 2-digit numbers are 90 minus 9. 1 to 9 are 1-digit numbers. The rest of the all numbers are 2-digit numbers. Therefore, favorable outcomes become to be 90 minus 9, that is 81. Then probability of getting 2-digit number is 81 upon 90. Then we cancelize it, we get 9 by 10. Then for the second part is a perfect square number. Now the favorable outcomes for a perfect square number are 9. These are, see, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. 9 square is 81. Then beyond this, then after this we come to 10 square, that is 100, and 90 is less than 100, therefore 100 cannot be included. Then the favorable outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 outcomes are there. Favorable outcomes are 9. Then total outcomes are 90. The total outcomes are 90. Their probability of getting perfect square is 9 upon 90. Probability of getting perfect square is 9 upon 90. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Then we come to the third part. In third part, we have to find the probability of finding a number divisible by 5. Number of digits divisible by 5 are 18. Which are these? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40, then 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. These are the digits which are divisible by 5, and number of these digits are 18. Therefore, the favorable cases are 18. then total outcomes are 90. The probability of finding a number divisible by 5 will be 18 by 90. It is 1 by 5. Then we come to the next question, is question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on a rectangular region as given in figure. This rectangular region is given. Its length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. What is probability that it will land inside the circle with the diameter 1 meter? What is the probability that die will lie inside this circle with diameter 1 meter? For this we will to solve this question, we are to find the area of rectangular region. The area of rectangular region is length into breadth, that is 3 into 2, that is 6 meter square. Now area of this circular region is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Radius of the circle is 1 upon 2. It is 11 by 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, it cancellizes and we get here 11 by 14 meter square. Then probability that die will lie inside circle will be favorable cases upon total number of cases. Favorable cases here is the area of circular region, that is 11 by 14, and total number of cases are 6 meter square, that is upon 16. Then 11 by 14 into 6, we get 11 by 84. That is the probability that die will lie inside the circle. It is 11 by 84. Now you can see these questions.